Hiring contractors to work in your home is a significant decision that can greatly impact the quality, safety, and value of your property. Whether you're planning a simple repair or a major renovation, there are several important considerations to keep in mind to ensure the process goes smoothly and the results meet your expectations. In this video, I'm going to discuss the key factors to consider from selecting the right contractor to managing the project effectively and protecting your investment. Hello again, everyone. I'm attorney Robert Flessis. If this is your first time here, now would be the best time to subscribe. Because if you do subscribe, you'll know where to go to get answers to your legal questions. Before you hire anyone, take the time to research potential contractors. Start by asking friends, family, and neighbors for recommendations. Online platforms and review sites such as Angie's List, Yelp, or the Better Business Bureau can provide valuable insight into a contractor's reputation and reliability. Don't simply settle for the first option. Request bids from multiple contractors, compare pricing, services, and timeliness. When evaluating candidates, ensure they have experience with the type of work you need. Ask for references and follow up with previous clients to inquire about their satisfaction and any issues encountered during the project. Pay attention to how the contractor communicates. Clear and timely responses are often indicative of professionalism. One of the most crucial steps is verifying that your contractor is properly licensed and insured. Licensing requirements vary by state and municipality, so check with your local authorities to confirm what's needed for your project. Proper insurance protects you from liability in case of accidents or damage to your property, especially double checking to see if your contractor has workers' compensation coverage. You want to speak with your insurance agent to verify by obtaining written proof of this coverage. Additionally, make sure all necessary permits are obtained before work begins. Contractors should handle the permit process, but as the homeowner, it's your responsibility to ensure compliance. Working without permits can lead to fines, delays, or even having to undo completed work. Never start a project without a written contract. The contract should outline the scope of work, materials to be used, timeline, payment schedule, and procedures for handling changes or disputes. Carefully review all terms and make sure you understand your rights and responsibilities. If possible, include a clause for resolving disputes such as mediation or arbitration to avoid costly legal battles. Don't be afraid to negotiate details or ask questions if something is unclear. Establish a payment schedule that aligns with project milestones. Avoid paying large sums up front. Instead, pay as work is completed and inspected. A typical structure might include a deposit, periodic payments based on progress, and a final payment upon completion. Set a realistic budget and factor in contingency refunds for unexpected expenses. Renovations frequently uncover unforeseen issues such as plumbing or electrical problems, so having extra funds set aside will prevent financial strain. Maintain regular communication with your contractor throughout the project. Schedule check-ins to review progress and address any concerns. Document all conversations and agreements, preferably by email or written notes to create a record. Visit the site frequently to ensure work is being performed according to specifications and quality standards. If you notice any discrepancies, raise them immediately to avoid costly corrections later. Don't hesitate to request interim inspections during the project, especially for critical phases like framing, wiring, or plumbing. Hire an independent inspector if necessary to provide an unbiased assessment. This is particularly important for larger projects or when specialized work is involved. At project completion, conduct a thorough walkthrough with a contractor. Make a punch list of any items that need correction or finishing, and withhold final payment until all issues are resolved to your satisfaction. Home renovations can pose safety risks to both workers and your family. Discuss safety protocols with your contractor, especially if you'll be living in the home during construction. Ensure proper barriers, signage, and cleanup procedures are in place to minimize hazards. Also, protect your property by securing valuables and setting clear guidelines for access. Know who will be on your property each day and limit entry to authorized personnel only. Consider the environmental impact of your project. Ask your contractor about sustainable materials and energy-efficient solutions. Proper disposal of waste and hazardous materials such as asbestos or lead paint is not only environmentally responsible, but also legally required in many areas. Review local regulations regarding noise, hours of operation, and parking to avoid conflicts with neighbors or authorities. Make sure your contractor understands and complies with all applicable laws and ordinances. Adjustments often arise during home projects, whether due to unforeseen circumstances or design changes. Set a clear process for handling change orders, including written approval and updated cost estimates. Keeping a flexible attitude while maintaining control over decisions will help prevent misunderstandings or cost overruns. Once the project is complete, obtain all relevant documentation, including warranties, manuals, permits, and lien releases. That's very important. These documents are essential for future maintenance, resale, and proof of compliance. Ask your contractor for maintenance tips or recommended service providers for ongoing care. Store these records safely and keep contact information for your contractor and subcontractors in case you need follow-up work or repairs. Having contractors work on your home is a major undertaking, but careful planning and vigilant oversight can ensure a positive outcome. By researching thoroughly, establishing clear agreements, maintaining open communication, and staying involved throughout the process, you can protect your investment, enjoy the results of your home improvement project for years to come. Take the time to address these important considerations, and you'll be well on your way to a successful renovation experience. I'm attorney Robert Flessis. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.